Hi, everyone. Greetings from Expo City here in Dubai for COP28. Our biggest clients are pros at maximizing the power of their events content, which alongside networking is one of the biggest drivers for a successful event. Here are 3 ways you can capitalize on content from your virtual or hybrid event. Number 1, dynamic content formats. Combine live and pre-recorded sessions with workshops and discussions to cater to different audience preferences and learning styles. Use tools like animations and polls and infographics to maintain high engagement and interest levels. Number 2, personalized content experience. Utilize AI-driven tools for tailored content recommendations, allowing attendees to have a curated event experience that aligns with their interests. This enables attendees to actively shape their own event journey. Next, we have engagement through interactivity. Integrate interactive elements such as live Q&A, live real-time chats, breakout rooms, turning passive viewers into active participants. This creates a community atmosphere by encouraging networking and peer-to-peer interactions. A strategic approach to virtual event content focused on personalization and engagement significantly elevates your attendee experience. Leave a lasting impression with your event and drive forward with your business goals.